What's up, y'all? It's STEFANJC here once again with another unpackaging from Just Saiyan. This time we're wearing my Nezuko one because I'm gonna go do some bench today, actually maxing out. We'll see if we get to, I'm hoping 240, but I'm thinking I can at least get 235 for sure, since before I maxed out last time it was 230. So then I can get 235. I'm hoping 240 just because I think that's where I fell off the very first time I maxed out. So we'll see. So we got the gear we're gonna open up today, and then I'll try them on, but you already know. I think this is a set to cosplay. I think this is the one. I think this is the Naruto cosplay that I got. So we'll go from there. But man, they taped it up real good. All you're hearing is the tape sounds right now. So there we go, got to open up. All right, so first thing first, we'll open up, be a tank top for bleach. So I have a few tank tops, but sometimes I don't want to wear those because you know me, I don't like wearing white all the time, so I know they'll get dirty a lot faster. Plus, I got the Ichigo full set of that's the one I use for cosplaying. And so I got this one that's basically the same thing as the one I got in the previous video, but in tank top form instead of long sleeve and the sleeveless hoodie. I guess I get tank top. Since I do kind of like want to use this one, some days I'll use it with like part of my Ambu shorts or my Odin shorts, one of those. After that, let's go with, since we're still going with tank tops, we'll go with Super Saiyan 2 Bardock. I do have the Super Saiyan 1 Bardock. That guy got off of a person that I was having a Just Saiyan group. But there we go, there's a Super Saiyan 2. Got a tank top this time around since Bardock kind of has the shoulders, and I didn't want a tank top. I like getting razors right now, so I got that one instead. And then I like the shorts. I thought it'd be better with the shorts. Of course, I got the low cut and then extra large, and it has the tail on the shorts, which I think is pretty cool. They have the tail there, but I wanted to get Super Saiyan 2 over the base. Just because Super Saiyan 2 is one of my favorite transformations. They just don't have the 2.0 or 3.0 actually now for Gohan, which I wish they did, but they don't yet. Anyways, go off to the next one, which will be Tokyo Avengers. So this one I got Mikey's jacket and casual shirt. I wanted to get Mikey since now they have the vent Dracon one, so that's kind of good there, so I could just use that. I get that one for there, and then this will be the same thing. I'll probably wear maybe my gray Odin ones, but yeah, this is the Tokyo Avenger gear. Pretty nice, pretty simple. It reminds me basically of Fire Force, so it's basically what I pretty much thought it was. And then the jacket I thought was pretty overall to go with everything, so I got the jacket. Everything also is pretty much extra large. I think now I get everything extra large. So don't worry about the sizes, just everything extra large. And here is the jacket. So I got Mikey jacket as well. This one I got because I could pretty much go with everything. So that's why I got it mainly. Because I have quite a few jackets. But this one I thought might have been the best one to go with more with everything than my Plus Ultra one I use for work. So next we'll just go with my girlfriend's order. Hers, we got the bra once again, which is a large. We got the tank top, I think it is. And then the shorts. Not the shorts, it's the high flex leggings. So yeah, so we'll go with the bra first. And now these I want to open up and make sure, open up pretty decently so I can put it back in the bag. So here we go. So I always show them out just because you never know when someone might come across the video that hasn't seen the gear before. So here's the bra, once again. Has the padding right here. Pretty decent padding. I know some people don't like the padding, but I don't think it moves too much. I don't remember my girlfriend saying it moves quite a bit. But here's the bra, and then you have the razor in the back. I wonder if you could, I was wondering to see if you could actually like undo the razor part, but there's that. And of course this is, was a Khalifa Super Saiyan 2. So there's that. Next, we'll go with the top. Pretty sure it's a tank top, but it could be the top. I'm pretty sure it's tank top because I've been wanting to get her more tank tops. Actually, it's crop top. I think that might have been all they had actually was crop top because Khalifa just has the crop. So I'm pretty sure that's why. But yeah, here's the crop top for Super Saiyan 2. This is a large. I know, I think I got her crop top t-shirt that was a medium, but it was a bit too small for her. That was the chopper one. That was a bit too small. So, but she was still happy with it. It's just she likes a little bit looser at times. So pretty much from now on, I try to get her a little bit more looser gear. You know, I'm hoping she use that shirt as motivation to reach her goal better. So she's been a little slacking on that, but she is also increasing her strength, or keeping it at least. So that's a good thing. So next is the high fist leggings. These are a medium, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, she liked the medium better than the large because she felt like the large kept coming off of her hips. So here you go. You got the little side pockets, little stretch. That's good. Okay. The last thing we got is the Naruto cosplay of Nine-Tails Saiyan mode. So we got the top. We got this long sleeve. So let's back up a bit so you see. Has that. Pretty much when this set came out, I was like, oh, Black Panther, because I think Black Panther has the stuff on the neck of this thing too. But we got that. We also got the joggers instead of leggings, because Naruto wears joggers and his pants aren't that tight. So no reason to get the leggings for the cosplay. So looks pretty nice, not bad detail. Ended up also getting the headband. I never had a headband before. I did get the tie back one. I thought this would be pretty dope. So I could wear that whenever I go cosplay. I could have the headband there. Like that. There we go. And I even also got the mask. Since now most of the time at conventions you kind of want to have the mask on. This goes over pretty fine. The mask don't have both ears. Because you know that one unboxing didn't have it, but they were able to get it back to me. But yeah, so there we go. We got the full Naruto set going on. We'll go to cons like this. And then last thing we got is jacket to go with it. Since you know his mode, he has the jacket. So pretty much the full set is guaranteed now. So I decided to do it this way because I like wearing comfortable outfits and I don't want to go hardcore into it. And I thought it'd be kind of cool since I love Just Saiyan Gear. Why not make a cosplay with all the stuff? People ask where you get it from. And the day they give me a code, I can just give people the code when they tell me. Overall, here's the jacket. Inside is the logos. And of course you got the side pockets like always. The inside has pockets as well. Same thing Just Saying on this inside. I think we showed some jackets before. And the pockets, I usually use these pockets for, usually put my mask in here or medicine mostly nowadays. But yeah, hopefully this might inspire some of y'all just to get their gear for some cosplays. So I'm gonna take this mask off real quick. Hopefully you can hear me fine the whole time. And then there's the headband. The headband is pretty nice actually. It's real nice material, so it's not like you're wearing a hardcore headband the whole time. But like if you got the metal one that they actually wear in the show, yeah, that would be a little uncomfortable maybe at times. I'm not too sure. I haven't worn those headbands. I thought it'd be dope. It actually kind of reminds me of the headband from the Naruto episode today where they had to make their own ones at home. And they had pretty much the nice little cloth material on the whole area. So it's kind of cool that it came in the same day I saw that episode. Even though a lot of people don't like Naruto right now, but I actually like it. I'm one of the few out of the whole world that actually enjoying these episodes. But nothing really to show off today. Pretty much, I'll probably show off the full fit right now of me wearing what I'm gonna wear as cosplay, and then we'll cut off there, all right? So I will be right back, cause Naruto's about to be summoned up in here. See ya. All right, y'all, I'm back with the Naruto gear. As you can see, this is the full-on cosplay that I'll be wearing whenever I go to cons in the future. I finally got 2 of the big 3 fully completed. As you saw the past ones, I did complete, I'll move this up a bit. I did complete the Ichigo one. The only thing I'm missing for that one pretty much will just be proper Zanpakuto that I need to have instead of my metal one. But overall, I think this is pretty cool. You have that note, I think it shows a little bit over here a little bit more. So I mean, I could like roll up the jacket sleeves some and then have the ore like that. I think that has that a little bit, but I know Naruto has the jacket on, so that's the only reason why I wanted to make sure I get this jacket to do the whole fit. Since I don't think they're gonna make a one for the actual main one. So I mean, pretty much he had this on for that one gear, and then he turned into this, and it's basically the jacket just opens up. But overall, I like the fit. We'll take off the jacket so you get a little bit more detail. So there you go. See the chakra on the side, little stomach tattoo, and then chakra there. A little bit back up. Try to show off the chakra on the pants, joggers. But remember, everything is extra large. Mask and headband, of course, is the standard side, but pretty comfortable. I like it. I'm ready to just go to cons and use this and see what people say, see if they actually ask questions and so on. But stay tuned for the next one. The next one I think will be for Luffy. So then I have all the big three for cosplay. So if I ever go for a 3-day event, expect me to be wearing these every single day. Not every single day, but each day to be one different. All right, y'all. Take care. Peace.